Hi everyone, it's Michael from Appy here today, and I just want to show you guys the new window cleaning weather app that's available for iOS devices in the Apple App Store. So it's entitled there WC Weather, and it opens up. And the good thing about this app as well, you don't have to mess about trying to put a location in. Using the keyboard, you can use it really one-handed. Your phone in one hand, because it just uses your device's current location, and it tells you your weather currently and whether rain is likely in the next 2 hours, which is great for window cleaners. Obviously, they can check other apps for the forecast for the week and for the day, but really it's more of an in the moment, right there and right now kind of thing. And so it'll tell you if it's going to rain in the next 2 hours. If it is, which in this case it is, you can press the button here, rain coming, what shall I do? And then it gives you some advice there. So although there is rain coming, on this occasion it's not a lot of rain, and therefore you can just keep working. And that's really the basics of it. So it's a very simple app. It's designed to be used very quickly, very easily for window cleaners. If they see rain coming, see some dark clouds coming, it just gives them an idea of what's coming in the next couple of hours and what they should really do. So obviously if there's heavy rain coming, that will obviously, the message there would say heavy rain, or even if it's forecasts for a lot of it and the rest of the day, to go home and do something productive instead rather than sticking in the van. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoy it, and it's available for download now in the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone or iPad or iPad Touch. All right, thank you for this review, and we'll see you soon. Bye.